How to contact Uber Eats customer service. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can contact Uber Eats customer service. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up Uber Eats. And on your Uber Eats, you will not find any option that will directly lead you to customer service. You'll find a help option on your account section. You can tap on that, and from here you'll not find much topics, so we'll just ignore that and head over to our web browser and simply type in Uber Eats customer service. After you type that in, let it load, and while this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So right here, tap on this help.uber.com and this website should open up. So as you can see, it's the very same options. You can log in into your account or sign up. So let's tap on help with an order. Let's say safety here. Go through the problem that you are currently facing. And if you want to report a wrong delivery or if you want to report any related issue, tap on report. And from here, let me just, you can log in. And after you log in, you can then write a report, and you can also add a screenshot if you want, and you can report from there as well. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.